Hello friends, good morning. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to another session of practicing English. In this time I'm in my kitchen and what I'm doing, I am preparing my breakfast. Okay, so let's see how to practice English real life. Okay, it means when you are doing work, when you are doing work in kitchen and everywhere. So how to practice, because English is just a language, so whatever you are doing you have to use there. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare a vegetable. So before cook, okay, so I'm just cutting onion. Okay, I will just cut it roughly. First let me pour water, not oil. Let me pour oil in the, yes, अब कढ़ाई को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं मुझे नहीं पता. आई विल चेक आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. So I just pour oil and then I'm going to add it onion. It's a roughly chop it. Let me cut because I'm preparing मटर and आलू की सब्जी. ठीक है, तो मटर को वैसे हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, पी. ठीक है, और आलू को क्या बोलते हैं, पोटैटोज. ओके, तो let's see, I am chopping onion. Okay, do you cry while chopping onion? Yes, automatically tears rolling in our eyes. So I think it's happened everyone, most of the people, they faced these issues. I'm also one of them. So now I finished my cutting part. Now let me add in oil. So okay, one more thing I'm going to add, I want to show you. So आपको बताना है कि व्हाट इज दिस. वैसे तो हम लोग इसे तेज पत्ता बोलते हैं, लेकिन चलिए आप आ ही गए तो आए बोल दीजिए. शर्मा गए. कोई बात नहीं. तो इसे बोलते हैं तेज पत्ता. और व्हाट वी कॉल इन इंग्लिश, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश, सो वी हैव टू नो एवरीथिंग इन इंग्लिश. सो वी कॉल इट बे लीफ. ठीक है, बे लीफ मीन्स होता है तेज पत्ता. आई एम गोइंग एड इट. I just wait for 5 minutes. When onions turn in brown color, then I will add spice. So I already grinded the spice, you can see. And what are the ingredients I added? I just want to explain it. Garlic, chili, onion, tomatoes, and black pepper, cumin seeds. Yeah, that's it. And I mix it and then grind it. Now my kitchen area. Good. So let onion is fine. Now I'm going to tell you something, some idiom I am going to use with you guys. Idiom is like जब हम बोलते हैं कि कोई चीज़ बहुत आसान होता है तो what we call it's very easy. Yeah, it is right. But now we have to use idioms. Okay, how you will say idiomatic way. Okay, why we are just repeating very easy, very simple. Yeah, we can use lots of idiom instead of using very easy. Okay, so the first one is piece of cake. Okay, the second one is cake walk, and the next one is walking in the park, and the next one is as easy as ABC, and the next one is it's my thing. So I think I told more than 5. Okay, so now you have to learn how to use it, because just only learning it's not going to again work and again not going to beneficial for anyone. So let's see how we are using in real life. Like in this time I am cooking food. So cooking food is piece of cake for me, या फिर rolling chapati is piece of cake for me. And some more you can use different, like cutting onions is as easy as ABC for me. Okay, and you can use these idiom in negative context. How? Like जब हम बोलते हैं कि rolling chapati is not piece of cake for Rima. Okay, cutting onions is not as easy as ABC for my grandmother, because whenever she start, not grandmother, mother-in-law, okay, whenever she start cutting onions, she start crying. Yeah, peeling garlic is not piece of cake for me. Okay, it's a tough task. Now my onion got brown. Okay, so now I'm going to add spices, whatever I grinded it before. I already show you. So let me add, and what are the ingredients I'm going to add it. Everything I will try to speak in English because it's very important, है ना. आप डे टू डे लाइफ में जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं उस पर बोलिए, then you will start learning. कुछ ज़्यादा ही बॉयल हो गया. और थोड़ा थोड़ा हम हिंदी भी बोल सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज अ लर्निंग फेज. सो हाउ इज पॉसिबल, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रिमूव योर मदर टंग कम्प्लीटली? नॉट एट ऑल. सो गाइस, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बॉयल हो गया मटर. कोई नहीं. I'm going to add spices. So what are the things I already told you? Some more ingredients I have to add. Let's see how is vegetable going to taste, because I am killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so let me add salt, because salt is most important ingredients. Okay, otherwise taste will become messy. So I am going to add 1 spoon salt. Now I have to use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, I'm going to add it. Okay, and 1 tomatoes. This. Because without tomato, my vegetable and any food not complete. Like dal, vegetable, and when I'm going to cook anything, that टमाटर बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है और बहुत नेसेसरी होता है, क्योंकि इसके बिना खाना अधूरा लगता है. ठीक है, तो ले आई एम जस्ट चॉपिंग इट. इट्स रफली चॉप, एंड देन इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली नाउ डेज in my city. I don't know what about you. Tell me what is the price per kg. Tomato in yours. Like if I talk about my city, it's more than 60 rupees. So now I have to cover it because it will take time to cook the spices. So I'll just cover it, and then I'm going to peel my potatoes, not onion. You can see this, it's already boiled. It is very hot. I'll just wait for few minutes, then I will peel. So guys, in this video, what did you learn? You learn the most important thing, phrase, and the phrases. जब हम चीज़ें बोलते हैं बहुत आसान है, तो मैंने 5 अलग अलग तरीके बताए हैं. आई थिंक 5 या 6 जो भी होगा. तो नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. यू हैव टू यूज़ इन डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ओके, एंड आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो, वेदर यू आर कुकिंग, टीचिंग, वर्किंग, इट डजेंट मैटर, यू हैव टू जस्ट टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा and start recording. And whatever the object you are using over there, try to speak in English, try to frame the sentence using on those object, and you will find कि आप बहुत सारे सेंटेंस का मीनिंग और ऑब्जेक्ट का मीनिंग नहीं जानते हो. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, नेक्स्ट टास्क, you have to jot it down in your diary. So thank you so much. I don't want to just record more because I did all the things. Now I have to do some more work, so it will be very lengthy. Okay, so thank you so much. Very soon I will meet in another session. Take care. Bye bye. And who is coming? She is my mother-in-law. You can see. Okay, bye.